Hey there, we're about 4 hours or so into our second storm. This is, expect 10 to 20 more inches. So you can see most of that snow out there is from the first storm. And it looks like we're going to be adding another 10 to 20. So we'll see how things look tomorrow morning. So we'll talk to you in a bit. Bye-bye. Good morning. We're back to day 2 of the second storm. As you can see, quite a bit of snow has fallen compared to last night. You can see that's our car right there. That most of that is from the first storm, but you can see where it cleared off the front. That's from the second. And then you can see our car over there, which is also has all that snow from the second storm. So anyway, it looks like this is going to go until the afternoon or evening. So we could expect another maybe 5 to 6, 8 more inches. Who knows? Alrighty, bye-bye. Hello, another look of outside. This is a few hours later. It's looking good. Quite a bit of snow, as you can see. This is our back deck. It's a lot of snow. So here we go, braving the weather.
We're reporting live from Baltimore, Maryland. We're here at the corner of Park Avenue and North, and we're in our second major snowstorm within the last few days, and it's pretty crazy.